Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel English Talk Now.
Hi everyone, my name is Mateo. I am a student.
Today, our topic is business.
Business.
Good, Mateo. Now, you at home, repeat. Business. Very good. Business is work. Business is when people buy and sell.
Buy and sell.
Great. Now, you, repeat. Buy. Sell. Nice. Business is also a job.
Job.
Repeat, please. Job. A job is your work. You work, you make money.
You make money.
Yes. Repeat with me. Work. Money. Good job. In business, people work in a company.
Company.
Repeat. Company. A company sells things. A company sells services.
Things and services.
Right, Mateo. Now you, repeat slowly. Things, services. Let's make a very simple sentence. Listen. I work in a company.
I work in a company.
Now you, repeat. I work in a company. Wonderful. Another simple sentence. I have a job.
I have a job.
Your turn. I have a job. Perfect. Today you learned business, job, work, money, company.
Business, job, work, money, company.
Yes, very good. Business is work. Business is job. Business has money. Business has company.
Business is work, business is job.
Great, you are learning. Today we talk about people in business.
People in business.
Good. Repeat, please. People. Great. People work in business. People have jobs.
People have jobs.
Yes. Now repeat. People have jobs. In business, we have a boss.
Boss.
Repeat. Boss. The boss is the leader. The boss is the manager.
Manager.
Your turn. Manager. Very good. In business, we also have workers.
Workers.
Repeat with me. Worker. Workers.
Worker. Workers.
A worker works. A worker has a job. A worker makes money.
A worker makes money.
Yes. Now repeat the full sentence. A worker makes money. Let's practice some simple sentences. Listen. I am a worker.
I am a worker.
Now you. I am a worker. Good. Another one. He is the boss.
He is the boss.
Your turn. He is the boss. Nice. One more. She is the manager.
She is the manager.
Now you. She is the manager. Excellent. People work. People have jobs. We have a boss. We have workers. We have a manager.
Boss, worker, manager.
Perfect. You are doing great. We talk about places in business.
Places in business.
Good. Repeat, please. Place. Places. Very good. People work in places.
People work in places.
Yes. Now repeat. People work in places.
People work in places.
A very common place is the office.
Office.
Repeat. Office.
Office.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Your turn. I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Nice. Another place is a store.
Store.
Repeat. Store.
Store.
A store sells things.
A store sells things.
Now repeat. A store sells things.
A store sells things.
We also have a company building.
Company building.
Repeat slowly. Company.
Company.
Building.
Building.
Good. Some people work at home.
At home.
Repeat. At home.
At home.
They work online.
Online.
Repeat. Online.
Online.
Now let's make easy sentences. Listen. I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Now you. I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Good. Another one. She works in a store.
She works in a store.
Now repeat. She works in a store.
She works in a store.
Great. One more. He works at home.
He works at home.
Your turn. He works at home.
He works at home.
Excellent work. Office.
Store.
Home.
Online.
Company building.
Office. Store. Home.
Perfect. You are learning fast. We talk about activities in business.
Activities in business.
Good. Repeat, please. Activity. Activities. Nice. In business, people work.
Work.
Repeat. Work. People also sell.
Sell.
Repeat. Sell. People also buy.
Buy.
Repeat. Buy. Very good. In business, people talk.
Talk.
Repeat. Talk. People also help.
Help.
Repeat. Help. Great job. Now let's make very easy sentences. Listen. I work every day.
I work every day.
Now you. I work every day. Good. Another one. I sell food.
I sell food.
Your turn. I sell food. Nice. Another one. I buy coffee.
I buy coffee.
Now repeat. I buy coffee. Excellent. One more. I talk to people.
I talk to people.
Now you. I talk to people. Very good. Business has many activities.
Many activities.
Yes. Work, buy, sell, talk, help.
Work. Buy. Sell.
Perfect. You are doing great. We talk about money.
Money.
Good. Repeat. Money. In business, people work for money.
People work for money.
Yes. Now you. Repeat. People work for money. Money is cash.
Cash.
Repeat. Cash. Money can be on a card.
Card.
Repeat. Card. Good. In business, people pay.
Pay.
Repeat. Pay. People also get paid.
Get paid.
Repeat slowly. Get paid. Debt paid. Nice. Now let's practice with easy sentences. Listen. I get paid.
I get paid.
Now you. I get paid. Good. Another one. I pay with cash.
I pay with cash.
Your turn. I pay with cash. Great. One more. I pay with a card.
I pay with a card.
Now you. I pay with a card. Excellent. Money is very important in business.
Money is important.
Yes, very important. Money, cash, card, pay, get paid.
Money, cash, card, pay, get paid.
Perfect. You are learning very well. We talk about customers.
Customers.
Good. Repeat, please. Customer. Customers.
Customer. Customers.
Very good. A customer buys.
A customer buys.
Yes. Now repeat. A customer buys.
A customer buys.
A customer pays.
A customer pays.
Repeat. A customer pays.
A customer pays.
In business, the customer is important.
Important.
Repeat. Important.
Important.
Very good. We also say, the customer is happy.
The customer is happy.
Your turn. The customer is happy.
The customer is happy.
Nice. Sometimes the customer is not happy.
Not happy.
Repeat. Not happy.
Not happy.
In business, we want the customer happy.
We want the customer happy.
Yes. Now repeat. We want the customer happy.
Great.
Let's practice simple sentences. Listen. I am a customer.
I am a customer.
Now you. I am a customer.
I am a customer.
Good. Another one. The customer buys food.
The customer buys food.
Your turn. The customer buys food.
The customer buys food.
Excellent. Customer. Buy. Pay. Happy. Important.
Customer. Buy. Happy.
Perfect. You are doing great. We talk about products and services.
Products and services.
Good. Repeat, please. Product. Products.
Nice.
A product is a thing.
A thing.
Repeat. Thing. For example, phone, food, shoes.
Phone. Food. Shoes.
Very good. Now repeat. Phone, food, shoes. A service is help.
Help.
Repeat. Service. For example, clean, teach, fix.
Clean. Teach. Fix.
Great. Now repeat. Clean, teach, fix. A store sells products.
A store sells products.
Repeat. A store sells products. A company gives services.
A company gives services.
Now you. A company gives services. Good job. Let's practice with easy sentences. Listen. I sell products.
I sell products.
Now you. I sell products. Another one. I give a service.
I give a service.
Repeat. I give a service. Excellent. Products are things. Services are help.
Products are things. Services are help.
Perfect. Product, service, thing, help, sell.
Product, service, sell.
Very good. You are learning so well. We review everything. Review.
Review.
Repeat. Review.
Review.
Good. Let's start. Business is work.
Business is work.
Repeat. Business is work.
Business is work.
Business has money.
Business has money.
Repeat. Business has money.
Business has money.
We have a boss.
Boss.
We have a worker.
Worker.
We have a manager.
Manager.
Now you. Repeat all.
Boss. Worker. Manager.
Office.
Office.
Store.
Store.
Home.
Home.
Now you.
Office. Store. Home.
Work.
Work.
Buy.
Buy.
Sell.
Sell.
Now you.
Work. Buy. Sell.
Money.
Money.
Cash.
Cash.
Card.
Card.
Pay.
Pay.
Get paid.
Get paid.
Great. Customer.
Customer.
Buy.
Buy.
Pay.
Pay.
Happy.
Happy.
Very good. Product.
Product.
Service.
Service.
Product is a thing.
A thing.
Service is help.
Help.
Perfect. Now let's say some full sentences. I work in a company.
I work in a company.
Now you.
I work in a company.
I get paid.
I get paid.
Now you.
I get paid.
I buy products.
I buy products.
Now you.
I buy products.
I give a service.
I give a service.
Now you.
I give a service.
Business is work. Business has money. People work. Customers buy. Products are things. Services are help.
Business is work. Customers buy.
Yes, you did it. You learned business in English.
Thank you, Olivia.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.